Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to hide Safari favorites in iPhone. Why would you want to know how to hide Safari favorites in iPhone? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to hide Safari favorites in iPhone. So today I am going to show you how to hide Safari favorites in iPhone. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding Safari favorites in iPhone is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will hide Safari favorites in iPhone. First of all, open Safari browser in your iPhone, and now here is my Safari home screen. And I want to hide favorites from my home page. So first of all, scroll down this page and click on Edit. Now in this page, click on toggle button to turn off favorites. And now go back to home page of Safari and my favorite sites are now hidden. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide Safari favorites in iPhone, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.